Onion oil benefits: boosts hair growth, reverse premature graying, nourish hair follicles, prevent hair fall. Choose 1 to 2 onions and add them to blender jar. Pour in a tablespoon of coconut oil to the blender jar. Blend everything in a blender to a smooth paste. Take a saucepan and pour the onion paste and coconut oil to it. Onion paste, ½ cup. Coconut oil, ½ cup. Stir well and simmer it on low flame for a few minutes until the onion paste turns light brown. After the oil has cooled down, take a cheesecloth and strain the oil through it. Transfer the oil to a clean bottle and store it in a cool, dry place. Add few drops of essential oil to mask the smell of the onion oil. To use, massage the oil on your scalp and hair twice a week for best results. Any question of you can comment.